What's up, YouTube? I'm here on NQ, and as you can see, it is February 19th, and it's right before the session, and I'm going to be giving you my bias for today. So, as you can see on the daily chart, price is rejected out of this big daily bearish gap. And same thing right here on the 1 hour. Inside of the daily bearish gap is this 1 hour gap that price has rejected from. So, that's a good sign. And for liquidity to target, below we have this news low right here. As you can see on Forex Factory, we had 7:30 news, and we left a nice wick right there. And also from yesterday on the 5 minute, we have these relative equal lows over here, and also some equal lows on the 1 minute right there. So I'm definitely going to be bearish for today, and we'll just see what 8:30 does. 8:30 is coming up here in 6 minutes, and I'll get back to you guys once we get something. Okay, so here's New York open right here, this 8:30 candle. It looks like we pushed up. We left this news low right here and left the 8:30 wick, which is good because we're building up some more liquidity for a nice short. It would be nice if price pushed up, took out all this liquidity, tapped into this 1 hour bearish gap, but it doesn't look like that's going to happen. But that would be the ideal scenario. Okay, and as you can see, our liquidity just got swept, this 8:30 low and this 7:30 low. But I'm still going to be interested in shorts to come down to these relative equal lows down here. So let's see if we can get anything. Okay, so we do have a nice bearish gap right here for maybe a buy entry, but I'm not really interested in it. As you can see, this wick right here took out a lot of liquidity, this high, this high, and this high inside of a fair value gap. So I wouldn't really be interested in targeting it. If we do get an entry here, I would like to see it fail and then, come back down to give us a sell. And as we can see right here, this long just got stopped out, and that would have been a pretty sizable loss right there. Okay, so here we go. Price is starting to rally up. We just tapped into this nice 15-minute bearish gap, and this 1 hour bearish gap right over here too. And we did take out some nice liquidity in the process, so hopefully we could get a nice sell down. Okay, so as you can see here, price has formed some bullish gaps here, 3 of them, and I drew them all together to make this nice 1 minute bullish gap that we could take a short off of. And as you can see, price is still delivering out of this 1 hour and this 4 hour bearish gap. So if we get a nice entry here, I'm gonna definitely take it. Okay, so I'm in this trade here. As you can see, we got this entry. We got an entry on the bullish gap, so it's not the best entry. It's not the best close, and I didn't get the best entry. As you can see, I got filled like right here. I'm still gonna set the break even right here, and the break even point's actually a news. As you can see right here, at 9 a.m. we had news, and I have a hard stop right here, right above the gap. So let's see how this trade plays out. I'm not really too confident in it. I should have probably risked less on it. The close on the inverse just wasn't too good, and price was also chopping up a little bit, but I'm confident in this at least being a break-even trade because this is a news low right here. But let's see what happens. That was a pretty strong candle right there. I'm not sure if we're going to be able to bounce back from that. Okay, and as you can see, we just got stopped out. So definitely the reason for this losing was not enough momentum on the entry candle. As you can see, we had a big rejection as soon as it inversed. And also we were just chopping up before the entry. So overall, this probably wasn't a good trade. Minus 274, so that's not awful, I guess. Okay, so price just formed relative equal lows with the news low right here. So this is a pretty nice draw on liquidity. And we have a 3-minute gap right here. And if we could get a nice entry, this could be a quick 1-to-1 down to these relative equal lows. There's also a 2-minute gap right here as well though, but the risk to reward on this one isn't going to be as good. So I'm probably just going to wait for this 3-minute. And yeah, I'll get back to you guys if we get an entry here. Okay, so I'm gonna be done for the day. As you can see, today was just very weird. Price today has just been very choppy and just been consolidating. So I'm just gonna end the day red. So this is where the account is today. And yeah, today was just a very strange day. Hopefully we get something cleaner tomorrow. Actually, it looks like something's playing out right now. This 3-minute is inversed. But I'm just not gonna take it. It just took too long to inverse, and price has just been very weird today. So, and yeah, tomorrow is OPEX, so it's probably not going to be clean either, but hopefully the week after that'll be nice. And yeah, that's going to be it for today, and I'll get back to you guys tomorrow. Thank you for watching.